OMG, you guys, today's video is all about the new Bloodlust. I know you guys are living for the video on Tuesday, but today we're gonna dive right back into it. I'm gonna give you guys this fucking look. I'm feeling like a snake. Stay tuned. Let's create this look together because I'm about to dive into this look. I was going with it. I didn't even know what I was doing. I just kind of like went with it. So, woo! Get ready. Let's get this going. Bloodlust. All right. Fully baked, ready to go. This week has been crazy. I literally wanted to say thank you to everyone that has viewed and subscribed to my channel this week. It just like makes me super happy to see that people are enjoying my videos. It does kind of satisfy me in a way that, you know, that just because I'm able to share my creativity, my experience, honestly, my artistry with you guys, and you guys love it, and that just makes me so happy because it just means I'm doing something right. But right now, you guys, today, happy fucking launch day, you guys. Happy launch day. Congratulations to Jeffree Star. Congratulations to the cosmetic team. I really do love this palette because, you know what, I'm a sucker for purples. When it comes to purple eyeshadow, I'm just like, yes. Because it's kind of like dark, but it's not dark, and it's kind of pink, but it's not pink. You know what I mean? So I love purples. Before we start this, you guys, my Instagram handle is on this video. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do, because I do a lot of sneak peeks. I do a lot of quick little updates and things like that. Let's jump right into this shit. I'm already fucking baked. I'm already nose contoured. I'm ready primed. I'm ready to go. Bitch, let me just bake a little bit underneath my eyes. Because, bitch, today we are about to get real fucking cute. Now, the first video, that wasn't the eyeshadow that I was planning to go to. I'm just criticizing myself. I know I'm better than that. Today, we're gonna get fucking creative. We are gonna pull out the same palette. Now, here it is. This is the Bloodlust. It's already obviously out of the packaging. It's still in amazing condition. I haven't really done much to it since the video. I've kind of pulled it out and played with it a little bit. But there's this one color. Can y'all guess what fucking color I'm like super obsessed with? I really want to play with Vile Serpent. Somehow this blue, green, gem, emerald, I don't know what the fuck kind of green this is. It just stands out to me. Like, it just like gravitates towards me. Bitch, let's just get this going, girl. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I hate my eyes without the fucking white liner. I'm obsessed with white liner for some reason, and I think I'm just going through like a phase right now. Now, y'all know I got the mirror. Y'all, I love this mirror because it fits my big ass face. I'm just gonna go right here and just put a little white cream. Just paint that on. I'm gonna pull out the JS9. This is when Jeffree collaborated with Morphe. We're gonna go ahead and start to blow this green all over my face because I've been dying to play with it. Now literally, like, look at it on the brush. It's like gorge. So I'm gonna dip my brush into Vile Serpent. I have nothing on my eyes right now, and we're gonna go ahead and start to buff. I want you guys to really work that color. So really, you guys, let's take our time and just build that color. Now look at that fucking color. That color is obviously, oh my god, it's really so pretty. And I think this shade of bluish green goes so amazing with the palette. Oh wow. I didn't even know what I was rambling on about, you guys. I'm just like, now I'm fucking gagged on this eyeshadow. Okay, I'm just gonna get this on. So what I'm doing, I'm just going in like a slow circular buff. And you guys look at it, it's like, is it not the same? Look at it. Oh, wowzers. Wow, that's stunning. The pigmentation on this is phenomenal. I have no fallout. He makes such good palettes where, as an artist, I don't even know what to do. I'm like, okay, it's a challenge. What do I do? And I think we need more of those palettes, you guys. I'm sorry, like, we can sit here and bark all day about wanting a fucking, you know, purple palette, which I know that has been a little bit of a conversation online. Bitch, do you not see how many fucking purples are in here? That's a lot of fucking purples. So for the people that we are like, girl, where's all the purples? Mama, relax, challenge yourself. Look at like how fucking pigment like that is. I'm like so obsessed. Wow, that is gorge. Let's go ahead and bring that color in here. I want my eye to be majority green with a little bit of like that nice purple. I'm just taking that color and just really wrapping it underneath. And bitch, look at that. No fucking primer. That is so fucking pretty. I can't even like take myself serious. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do a lot of purple, but I just wanna get this color on and just kind of step back and see like, okay. I'm gonna wipe some of that brush off and I'm just gonna go back and I'm just gonna really blend out the edges a little bit to give it like that really smooth moment. So what I wanna do is maybe do a little P.LOUISE moment of the Ibiza color and really bring in that purple. So I'm just gonna really take that brush and just kind of connect that shadow to kind of give it like a floating like halo kind of moment. You see that? Now we're gonna go ahead and cut that gorgeous crease. Now this color Ibiza, I wanna test it on my hand first before I apply. So I'm gonna go ahead and show here. So I'm taking the Ibiza color. This is how you guys test out color. Like, don't be afraid to swatch it on your hand and see what they do. So I'm gonna pick up a blank brush and I'm just gonna pick 3 different purples. So the colors that I'm gonna pick is Take the Crown. I'm gonna pick a little bit of Vivid Mood. And then I might even pick up Deviant. I think Deviant, it might be really, really nice. Or maybe Betrayal. I don't know. Maybe Betrayal on the side. Let's just go ahead and test out Take the Crown. Wow, look at that. You see that? Like, that's Take the Crown with Ibiza. It looks like metal. So let's go ahead and test out Vivid Mood, which is, I think, is like the flat version of this color. The base is so strong or so pigmented that it does overpower the product. Let's just take a look at Betrayal. I want some shimmer on my eyes. Wow, look at that. Okay, so far I love that. I love that a lot. That's pretty. Now what if I did a little bit of Beauty Sleep on top? Oh, that's it. And then I bring it in with a little bit of, you know. Oh yes, that's it. Okay, so, see bitch, we got it. We got it, we got it. I tested it out on my hand and we love this moment. I think this moment is super sexy. It showcases 3 different shades of purple. Let's go and open up Ibiza. And then now, let's go ahead and cut the crease. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow, that's gorge. Like this color eye with a nude lip and gloss, I'm done, I'm good. So same thing on this side, you guys. Cut that crease on this side. I want it completely drenched, like that much. So Betrayal. Let's get this on. Ooh, ooh, look at that. I love it, oh my God. Same thing on this side, you guys. Get that color on. I'm surprised there's like no fallout at all. So pretty. Okay, so I got the color Betrayal on, you guys, and I'm just really taking that brush, blending it and making sure that I don't see any more of that P.LOUISE primer. And now take a little tiny brush. Now I'm gonna wet the brush because I know it's gonna go on very, very nice because everything like wet is covered. Now it's all fully dry and I want that shimmer to be very, very, very piercing. So the color Beauty Sleep, we're gonna go ahead and just apply it in the middle. Oh wow, that is gorgeous, honey. I'm like fucking stunned. That shimmer is on there. So same thing on this side, you guys. Let's just go ahead and apply in the middle. Feeling my bloodlust fantasy. Ooh, I love it. What we're gonna do now is dip my brush into Blood Queen. Now Blood Queen was the color I used a lot on my recent video. And then we're just gonna go ahead and blend this in to really give it like that smoky purple moment. Ooh, look at that. That is so fucking beautiful. I honestly, like, I love the purple color. I don't even think I need to touch the black anymore, to be honest. I didn't realize it's gonna be like this dark. Maybe, we'll see. Take that Blood Queen color, now blend it in circular, controlling it. This is like Sneak vibes. Oh, I'm like obsessed. And I want you guys to really take your time on this because dealing with the inner corner of the eye, you don't want to go so fast because the pigment can sometimes make your eyes super watery. So please, please take your time. Honestly, I can do this eye shape every fucking day. It's my favorite. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful that looks. And I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna edit. Now, this is the Kimora that I know. Now, we're gonna take a small brush and I feel like putting some black on the bottom. I've honestly never did an eyeshadow like look like this with this color. All right, so taking that black Executioner, we're gonna wrap it, but really tight. So see how that's so tight? You can still see that nice serpent color, and that's it, that's the black. Same thing on the right eye, keep that color super, super tight. Oh my God. I feel like it needs a little bit of black right here. So bring that black shadow very, very tight and just mix it with that nice Blood Queen shadow. Only on the edge, not in the inner corner, you guys. Oh, okay, calm down. She's cunt. She's fucking cunt. Cunt in my world, in my house, it means it is good. I'm completely shocked. Let's just put some of this on. I mean, I don't even know what this is. This is the ColourPop glitter. That's pretty. Let's put a little bit of that. I'm gonna put some in the middle. I don't know if that did anything. I don't think that did anything, but I'm just gonna put some Invincible glitter on my other lid so it looks like I'm trying. So now what I wanna do is put on wing liner. Like that's all the liner you should be putting. We're not trying to be fucking doing a liner that is huge. That's it. That's the wing liner, girl. Now, I know I don't need liner on the bottom, but I like to always make sure. So, as close to my white liner as possible, I like to kind of just deepen it a little bit. I'm just making sure my white liner is super clean. Now, let's go back and edit. I'm just really deepening up just to kind of make sure it's like green. And then I think we're kind of ready to dust off this setting powder. So, taking a brush. Now taking a little bit of a white powder, let's go ahead and just brighten up underneath that eye. Oof, I'm like totally feeling it. Ooh, so Lumi glitter, you guys, from Sugar Pill. It's like just like really, really soft, like iridescent blue. Look at that. That's pretty. Now I really feel like a snake. I don't know, I feel like I want to put more. So let's go ahead and pull out a highlight. This is Sub-Zero Highlight Collection from Be Perfect Cosmetics. This is the collaboration with Mama Mitchell, just to kind of give it like a nice moment. I always like to do like a highlight base first and then I put on the glitter. I like my highlight to be like abnormal. Like I want people to be like, what the fuck are you wearing? Bitch, I'm wearing like fucking 5 things. So this is the Be Perfect. I love this palette because it's just like so blinding, but we're gonna make sure the purple highlight is like fucking amazing because I mean, obviously I know it's amazing. And then there's a color in here from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Certified that I love to like literally do like a little dot on my nose with because it just gives me like that illusion of a really pointed nose. I'm just gonna deepen up my contour just a little bit. Just very, you know, soft, very subtle. I always like to deepen up my cheekbones a little bit because I love cheekbones. So we have like fully structured, highlighted, ready to go. You guys know exactly what highlight I'm gonna pull up. Oh, look at that. How fucking dope. So this one is called Choking on Ice, and I'm gonna do a little finger swatch for you quickly if you guys haven't seen my recent video. This is the color. Look at that, that's so stunning. The best way to put this on, I truly think, is the finger. It really does control the highlight. Oh my god. So just kind of blending that into the highlight that I had before this, it does create like this nice, milky, clean, I want to say like purple snake highlight moment. So taking it and just applying it. You see this? How it's matte and shimmer? It's just weird, right? I just kind of blend it in so it doesn't have that anymore. See how it kind of like really is not there anymore? There's a color in here called Royal Pain, and it's almost like a plush blush color, and I'm very curious on seeing like what that looks like as a blush. So let's see. That's so pretty. Royal Pain as a blush is beautiful. See how it just kind of softens up my so strong contour color? Alright you guys, let's get some fucking lashes on this bitch, and then we are ready for the fucking lip. Boom! Okay, you guys, got my lashes on. So what do I do? What do you guys think? I wish there was like a poll and you're kind of like, new lip, purple lip. All right, let's just take a look at all the lip products. I want to do a nude, I really do, but I don't really want to. I feel like this color Scorpio is obviously a color that he's had before, but I feel like it will look kind of cool with this look. So let's just go ahead and try it. I kind of want to see what this looks like. Not bad. I think it's because of the eye. Like when I wear Scorpio, I love to pair it with like greens, like bright lime greens, and just like tone it down. Let's go ahead and see Virginity. It's very light. No. Not with this look. I feel like this look, it has to be like, I'm gonna end up using I'm Vulgar. I already know myself because I'm thinking about it. Let's try I'm Royalty. Let's kind of see. I'm kind of into it, low key though. I'm kind of very into it. Okay, she's a little into it. Oh, but what about Blow Pony? Oh, I kind of like this more. I kind of like this more. I think this is it. So far, we're gonna do Blow Pony, okay? So, we have the color Sorcery, which is like a clear, I want to say like a very pretty, like princess pink. It's a very clear color, which I think everyone needs. This one's called Iridescent Throne. Oh, it's like this purpley, like, oh yeah. Okay, so I kind of like that one too. I like all of them. Oh, look at this one. This one's called Wizard's Glass. Okay. Whoa, this one's fucking nice. This one's called Lord Star. Oh my god, look at that. Ah. And then the last but not least, oh yeah, this is actually really dope. I think I might use this one. This one's called Sickening. Oof, maybe I might use more than one. I love, so far, the Sickening and Wizard's Glass. I truly think this color, the Sickening color is gonna be really nice. So let's just kind of give it a try and see what it looks like. Yeah, this is it. So far, my lip combination is Blow Pony and Sickening. Let's just get this going. I'm gonna apply Blow Pony first. This is so fucking pretty. I like really love Blow Pony. Like I would wear it by itself. Now taking the color Sickening and let's apply on top. On top, darling. Oh yeah, that's so fucking pretty. Oh my god. It like just took it to a next level. That's so fucking gorge. Bitch, I might as well just put more on. I'm gonna apply some more. Iridescent Throne. I love his fucking glosses. Whoa, that's cool. Fuck. That's fucking cool. Get into this fucking mug, bitch. Get into... Girl, get up fucking close. Like, what the fuck? Alright, bitch. It's time for a fucking wig. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys. Got my motherfucking wig on. Ah! Y'all, I'm so, like, living for this look. You guys, I had so much fucking fun doing this look for you guys. Happy launch day. I hope you guys get your hands on this palette. I'm sure it's gonna be sold out. I hope you guys get your hands on the mirror, the lip gloss, the lip products, the highlight. Like, look at this highlight. Like, literally, it's like eye blinding. Now, you guys know I love to give away free shit. I love to give away boxes, and I have tons and tons and tons of makeup for you guys. Are you guys ready for the fucking 2 winners for the 2 giveaways? Congratulations to you both. Thank you so much for just being a subscriber. Listen, I have tons and tons of giveaways coming up in the future. I have tons and tons of makeup, girl. I have a lot. So I would love to give you guys some cool things. But you guys, thank you so much for my 2 subscribers. I love you guys so much, and congratulations for winning this giveaway. Everybody else, you guys, tune in. Check out my Instagram. In the meantime, y'all, it's the weekend. I'll see you guys in San Francisco. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. I love you guys. Mwah.